In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook ads or ad campaigns. This process is quite straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you've decided to clear up your campaigns or need to remove older ones to maintain clarity and organization in your Ads Manager dashboard, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. To start, open up your web browser and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. You can conveniently do this by typing Facebook Ads Manager into your search engine of choice and clicking on the link provided. Once you land on the Ads Manager page, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on this button to proceed. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you use the credentials associated with your Facebook account that's linked to your ads. Once you've entered your login details, go ahead and click the Login button. This will bring you directly into the Ads Manager interface. Now, you're ready to address your campaigns. Look for the Campaigns dashboard. This area of Ads Manager provides an overview of all your ongoing and past campaigns. Here, you can manage everything from budgets to targeting, but for now, we're focusing on deletion. Identify the specific campaign you want to delete. You might need to scroll through if you have a lot of campaigns running. Once you have spotted the one you wish to remove, simply select it. Clicking on the campaign will highlight it and allow you to take action. With the campaign selected, locate the trash bin icon, which represents the delete function. It's usually visible once you've selected the campaign, often appearing in the toolbar or as an option button. Clicking the trash bin icon will prompt a confirmation dialog. This is your opportunity to double check that you're about to delete the correct campaign because this action cannot be undone. Once you're absolutely sure about your decision, click the delete button in the confirmation dialog. This will permanently remove the selected campaign from your Facebook Ads Manager, helping to streamline your dashboard and ensure you're only managing campaigns that are still relevant. Remember, any data from the campaign that you're deleting will also be removed, so it may be a good idea to download insights or reports before you hit that delete button if you think you might need them later. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to access and manage your campaigns efficiently. This not only helps keep your ads manager clean and organized, but also ensures you're focusing on the most critical aspects of your advertising strategy. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more tips and tricks.